Welcome to our step-by-step video tutorial on how to efficiently check in students using the PureData PowerSchool Attendance Plugin. Designed to enhance the standard PowerSchool features, this integrated tool simplifies real-time attendance tracking without the need for external applications. Whether you're handling arrivals on time, late to school, or processing early dismissals, this plugin streamlines it all. It even supports checking students into specific locations like the nurse's office, library, or gym. Today, we'll focus on managing tardiness and early dismissals, plus how to run reports and track consequences. Let's start by logging into your PowerSchool admin. Navigate to the PureData Attendance Plugin on the left sidebar, where you'll find various check-in options. For students arriving late, select Unexcused Tardy to School. You can choose between admin mode for detailed processing or kiosk mode for quicker, simpler check-ins. In admin mode, you can search for a student by name, enter their student ID, or scan their barcode. Once processed, you can instantly print a pass and the system automatically updates the records. Daily attendance, class attendance for the current and missed periods, and timestamps in the attendance comments. Let's take a detailed walkthrough of a processed student record to see how efficiently our system handles attendance data. From the PowerSchool homepage, I will select the student we just processed. As we navigate to the meeting attendance page and move to today's date via the schedule view, you'll notice that the system has already updated the class attendance records. The current period is marked with a tardy code due to the student's late arrival. Additionally, it retrospectively marks all missed periods since the start of the school day as unexcused absences, ensuring that all records are accurate and up to date. Next, let's review the daily attendance. Here, the system has updated the attendance status with the appropriate daily code and recorded the exact timestamp. This precision ensures every entry reflects the actual time the student checked into school, maintaining accurate and fair attendance records. Additionally, let's examine the behavior log. The system automatically logs any relevant behavioral entries in real time. This feature is crucial, especially if the tardiness is a recurring issue or if it triggers any specific administrative responses according to school policies. These entries are made instantly, providing a comprehensive view of the student's behavioral history and ensuring timely interventions. Let's return to our check-in page in admin mode. As you observed, we swiftly processed a student and are now prepared to process the next. You have the flexibility to update the default attendance code, whether changing an unexcused tardy to an excused one with a doctor's note or any other alteration, and then proceed with the check-in for each student. Now let's switch to kiosk mode and observe the differences. In kiosk mode, the interface is streamlined for quick entries, perfect for managing the flow of students without detailed interactions. Just like in admin mode, you can process the students here, and it will essentially perform the same functions, ensuring consistency across different modes of operation. The next feature I'd like to demonstrate is early dismissal. Navigate to the Early Dismissal Admin section to manage students who need to leave school before the day ends. This option works similarly to our other features, but with a key difference. It updates all future class periods. The system still records the time in the daily attendance, sends email notifications to relevant stakeholders, and updates the current period's status. This ensures that all records are accurately maintained in real time. Let's explore the powerful reports available to track attendance and manage student data. The All Logs report displays a comprehensive list of students who were marked late to school or dismissed early. You can view metrics such as check-in types, distribution by grade level, and which user accounts process the entries. Below this, a detailed list shows each student's information, including the date and time of each occurrence. You can utilize the search bar to find specific students, or download and copy the data for further analysis. Next, let's look at the tardy summary under the Reports tab. This report displays the total number of tardies for each student. You can sort this table by any column, making it easy to identify students with the highest number of tardies at a glance. Finally, let's delve into how you can effectively track consequences. Our system allows schools to set their own thresholds and automatically assign consequences based on the number of tardies. For example, 3 tardies might trigger a detention, while 5 could result in an in-school suspension. If such rules are set, you can access the Consequences Tracker report to see all students with assigned consequences. Not only that, but you can also manage and track when they have served their consequences using the same interface. In the drop-down, you can select the duration they have served and hit Submit. The system will update all related information, including total detentions assigned, detentions served, and any remaining, ensuring that all records are accurate and up to date. I hope this video has effectively demonstrated the efficiency of the PureData Attendance solution. We have partnered with numerous schools and districts across the country, significantly enhancing their operational capabilities. For more information or to connect with us, please visit our website at www.puredata.io or email us at info@puredata.io.